Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to reset the memory for the electric windows in a Mark III Ford Mondeo. This may be necessary if your car's battery goes flat, which mine does every single day. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Okay, let's demonstrate the problem using the front passenger window, which, as we can see, is fully closed. Now, to open it, all we have to do is press the down button briefly and then let go, and look. The window fully opens all by itself, exactly as it should. However, it will not close in that manner. So when we press the close button briefly and then let go, the window only goes up a tiny bit at a time, which is not at all satisfactory. Once we've reset the memory for that window, we'll be able to press the close button briefly, let go, and the window will go all the way back to the top as if by magic. To reset the memory for this window, we need to fully close it. So we're going to have to hold down this button, like so, until the window is fully shut, which it is now. We can now let go of the button, press it again, let go, and that's it. Now, would you like proof that this process actually works? Yes? All right then. So, as before, we can briefly press the down button and the window fully opens all by itself, but now we can briefly press the up button as well, and look, it fully closes. Isn't that fantastic? Bear in mind also that you'll need to do this for each window individually, and by the way, filming this video wasn't easy because the car's battery didn't have enough power to run the windows without the engine being on, and the engine didn't want to idle because it's down on compression, so I had to keep my foot on the gas pedal. Anyway, there we go. You are, of course, welcome to visit CarSpyTV.com, where you can browse the photo gallery, the frequently asked questions, and we got some merchandise on there as well. Hats, mugs, not that hat. Which hat is it? Where's he gone? This hat, all kinds of bits and pieces, and if you could also click like on this video, that would be fantastic. Anyway, that's all for now. Bye bye.